Single people enjoy some healthy perks of their own. They tend to work out more than married folks and gain less weight over time. Hi, I'm Dr. Miller. The health benefits of a happy marriage or long-term relationship get a lot of press, but almost a third of North Americans are living single. If that's your situation, there's no reason you can't enjoy the benefits of living on your own. In fact, single people enjoy some healthy perks of their own. They tend to work out more than married folks and gain less weight over time. Here are 3 steps to boost your health when you live alone. Relish your meals for one. You're less likely than marrieds to overeat as long as you choose healthy fare. Cultivate close connections with others. Make time for friends and family. People with close relationships are more likely to live longer without disability, keep their mental functions, and have a healthy heart. Practice meditation. It helps reduce stress and strengthens your connection to others. I'm Dr. Miller. For more ways to boost your health, watch all our smart tips.